Okay, let's go. Oh, here comes Edwards. Okay, so Edwards. Yes, Brad. Let's see. Oh, Kyle Busch. Hey, Kyle Busch. What are you doing? Not much. Hey, everyone. I'm going. Right, Brad. Kyle. Right. Well, right. Let's do this. We're going to round out now. All right. Let's see. Kyle Busch, you're the leader now. Until later. Alright, so we're gonna see what you're doing, Kyle. This is a nice thing, isn't it, red car? Oh, what the hell is that? I have no idea what the hell was that. That was crazy. That was a flying car. Oh my god. Where the heck is Brad? What the heck? Boomba, 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 boomba. Hey, I'm still alive. What's wrong? Something?
What?
Right. Right. Drawing green.
Yeah?
Then purple. Then red. Then yellow. Then red. Then orange. Ride it around and test it. Right. Then we're almost done. This is awesome. Wow. It's the best track ever. Subscribe.